Hello and welcome to the Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this third day of June 2025. We just got done with the US closed live trading room, and this is without question the trade of the day. So let's do the setup real quick. Not only do we have a 5-minute pattern closing, you don't have to really know or understand that, but it's a typical trade in that we have our strong candle indicator that Samurai Day Trading has and just tells you to trade in that direction. So we do this, every day, and you've seen it many times if you followed us on Trade of the Day. What makes this trade special is that it coordinates with a larger chart move. So there's a 60-minute signal in here. So when this trade came on, normally we would adjust our ATMs, our targets, based on the PVI. So I would expect the next candle to be between around 60 ticks, maybe 60 to 70 ticks under normal circumstances. But because there's a larger chart trade here involved, I told everybody in the room to go for more. So there were a number of people that got at least 100 ticks on this trade. I myself personally took it for, well, we'll show you what happened when we took it out. All right, so we looked for a 5-minute signal that coordinates with the 60-minute signal. We got that, and we'll go ahead. So the ATM we're going to use, we're going to go for de-risk to trade quickly at 20s, and then we're going to go for runners of 100 and 200. That may be the first time we've done this on Trade of the Day, but it worked out so perfectly that it's without question the trade of the day. All right, so here we go. Go ahead and put our outside the range. If it winds up retracing a little bit up, we'll move it from the bottom of the candle. There we go. Move it underneath the bottom of the current candle just to make sure we get every ounce of what we need to out of this. And put our stop where it belongs. It's the first thing we always do. And as soon as we take our first target taken out, you'll see what happens. Our risk will go from all the way up here to minus 18. We have 21 tick target. The 1 tick pays for the fees. So it's 20 ticks in profit. We'll set our stop at minus 18 in case we get slippage on the way back out. So we de-risk the trade as quickly as possible, and then we will see if we can catch runners. It was stalling a bit, and I'm going, oh, really? We got this 60-minute move happening, and it's not taking off like we would expect it to. But we'll see. Being that I already know what happens. All right, target's out. See, our stop went from all the way up the top there to minus 18. Now, if this comes back and takes me out at minus 18, I have to decide whether I want to re-enter the trade or not, which I most definitely would. But now we're starting to pick up some momentum. We'll go ahead and speed it up 4 times real time. No, the 100-tick target's taken out and only half the candle. So now we can go ahead and move this to plus 10 or something. And that's how fast that actually happened when you coordinate your larger chart with your 5-minute chart. So we were able to get a lot more out of that. I actually got 320 ticks out of that move based on the 60-minute signal that it gave us. So that was brilliant. That right there was worth $1,715. Uh, if you want to learn how to make $1,715 in little more than 3 minutes, come join us in the live trading room, samuraidaytrading.com, samuraidaytrading.com. I look forward to seeing you in the live trading room real soon. God bless you and have a great day.